Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Facebook tracking on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and tap to the last button, the account, at the lower right corner. Scroll down, and here you can find the privacy section under the notification settings. And here you can find one option, the allow Facebook tracking. Actually I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next black circle, and if it will be turned light gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn off on again, just click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.